I'm sharing some of my favorite fall palettes. This is a holy grail, tried and true, swear by it. It's the Morphe 350 palette. It's probably seen better days, but it's perfect for fall. I mean, look at all the, they're all autumn colors. So like the reds, the oranges, the browns, and this is just a great palette all around. Another one that I love, which is perfect for fall and just every day, no matter what season, is the Master Mattes by Makeup by Mario. And then the other one that I've really been liking and has some unique colors is the Jaclyn Hill palette. And this is the Luxe Legacy palette. I mean, look at some of the greens, grays, and then you have like the shimmers in there, which are always nice. Another Makeup by Mario. I mean, come on. This is, every time I wear this palette, I'm like, why do my eyes and why does my makeup look so good? There's something magical about this palette. The only downside is that the shimmers tend to fall. There's fallout with them, so you have to use like either a setting spray, or you probably wouldn't need a glue, but if you really wanted to do that, you could. And another affordable one is the Nova Beauty Smoky palette. And this is like really great for if you want like a night out makeup look. It's just those darker tones. More higher end one is the MAC palette. I mean, look at those reds, and I mean, that just screams fall to me. So this is the Semi-Sweet times 9. Semi-Sweet? Semi-Sweet times 9 palette, whatever. Another affordable one, which they don't make anymore, but honestly, any palette by them is good. This is the ColourPop palette, and this is the I Think I Love You palette, but honestly, they probably have palettes that are similar to this, and these are amazing. I wasn't gonna include this, but I just tried it out. I just did a video. It's the makeup that I'm wearing right now, and it's the Dreamy Dozen by Lawless. This kind of reminds me of the Makeup by Mario palette, so this is just maybe a clean version. The shades are definitely a little bit different, but I mean, you get that same, There you go. So obviously they're not exactly the same, but same vibe. Follow if you want to see more of my fall favorites.